My name is Mike Hindle. I'm a professor in the Aerosol Research Group at Virginia Commonwealth University. Our group is one of the leading academic research groups focused on drug delivery to the lungs. Our approach is highly interdisciplinary as we work with colleagues across the university to develop strategies to deliver aerosols to the most challenging patient population groups, including neonates and children. We work in collaboration with Dr. Worth Longest from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and our approach is to combine pharmaceutical science with computational fluid dynamics and design engineering to produce pharmaceutical aerosol formulations and drug delivery systems. My lab is focused on the formulation of micrometer-sized engineered particles, as can be seen on the left side of this slide. We work with the engineering group to develop novel inhalers, as shown in the center panel. And then we test these devices using realistic airway models that we've developed in projects sponsored by the US FDA. This slide shows an overview of the VCU team approach, which employs formulation, device, and strategy, working together for targeted drug delivery. Starting from strategy, we then implement formulation and device development, together with particle engineering to produce novel inhalers. These are iteratively tested using computational fluid dynamic approaches, in vitro experiments, and in vivo animal studies. On the right of the slide, you can see we have a number of active projects focused on the development of novel products, including a surfactant dry powder formulation for the treatment of respiratory distress syndrome in neonates, and also the development of a tobramycin dry powder inhaler for the treatment of infections in cystic fibrosis children. In this final slide, you can see our active projects, which have received funding from the National Institutes of Health, the US FDA, and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Thank you for your interest in our work and for your interest in VCU.